Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Malibu key fob. First, identify your key fob specific model to ensure you get the right battery or replacement. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver and the correct coin cell battery, often a CR2032. Be aware that some newer Malibu key fobs might require professional programming, even for a simple battery swap, so check your owner's manual. Replacing the battery is often straightforward. Begin by carefully prying open the key fob casing. Look for a small notch or seam where you can gently insert a flathead screwdriver or a coin. Once open, remove the old battery, paying attention to which side is facing up. Most Chevy Malibu key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, then snap the fob back together. If you're programming a completely new key fob, the process varies by year. Older Chevy Malibu models sometimes allow for a do-it-yourself programming sequence, often involving turning the ignition on and off multiple times. However, many newer vehicles require specialized equipment. For these, you'll likely need to visit a dealership or a qualified automotive locksmith to get your new key fob programmed correctly. After replacing the battery or programming a new fob, always test all functions, including locking, unlocking, and the trunk release. It's also a smart idea to have a spare key fob on hand. It can save you a lot of hassle if your primary one is lost or damaged. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.